Superbike fans, you've been waiting. The 2026 BMW S1000RR has arrived, and it's sharper, faster, and smarter than ever. If you thought last year was good, just wait. This is Next Gen Reviews, and today we're looking at one of the most advanced leader bikes on the planet. Design. The design is pure aggression with precision. Aerodynamic winglets are now standard, channeling track focus with street style. The asymmetrical headlight design is gone, replaced by a sleeker, more unified front end. It's low, lean, and seriously refined. Every surface, curve, and cut feels built for speed, because it is. Performance. Let's talk power. The 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 now pushes 210 horsepower, with updated shift cam tech for smoother delivery across all revs. Acceleration? Brutal when you want it, buttery when you don't. Cornering is razor sharp, thanks to the updated chassis and adjustable electronic suspension. Whether you're at the track or your favorite canyon road, the S1000RR is a machine that rewards skill but supports you every step. Features and technology. Tech-wise, this bike is a beast. You get a full 6.5-inch TFT display, refined ride modes, launch control, quick shifter, slide control, you name it. The dynamic traction control is smarter than ever, adjusting in real time for maximum grip and safety. For 2026, BMW's added a new Track Pro 2 mode with customizable data overlays. If you're chasing lap times, this is your toolkit. Conclusion. The 2026 S1000RR isn't evolution, it's domination. Blending raw performance with elite tech, it's more than a superbike, it's a statement. Have you ridden one? Ready to? Drop a comment below, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for your next deep dive into the future of performance riding.